Cleaning the grill after each use is recommended to avoid baking on grease from previous cooking sessions. Remove the cool grill plates and place in the sink. Use the included wire brush to remove any baked-on cooking debris, then wash the grill plates in hot soapy water. If needed, they can be soaked for a few hours or overnight to loosen cooking debris. The grill plates are cast iron and are dishwasher safe. When clean and dry, replace on the grill and brush with a light coating of heat-tolerant oil. The cast iron griddle pan. Let the pan cool down after cooking. Then wipe any cooking residue from the pan with paper towels. Wash the pan with very hot water and dry thoroughly, and brush with a light coating of heat-tolerant oil. Lava rocks. Carefully remove the tray with the lava rocks and set it aside. Remove the grease catch tray and scrape the grease and lava rock debris into the trash, or place some paper towels over the grease tray to absorb it. The grease tray can be washed in hot soapy water or in the dishwasher. Keeping the grease tray clean is key to achieving safe, flavorful grilling results, as well as keeping the kitchen odor-free. If your lava rocks appear to be very greasy, this indicates you're not allowing the grill to reach the desired power level before cooking. The grill ships with a large bag of lava rocks, enough to fill the tray twice. In time, the lava rocks will turn black. This signals that it's time to replace the rocks. A replacement bag of lava rocks can be ordered from the Gaggenau e-shop. In order to keep the unit free of grease, buildup, or cooking debris, the lava rocks can be removed from the tray and the tray washed in the dishwasher. The stainless steel surrounds of the grill Vario and control knobs can be washed with hot soapy water. As with all Gaggenau appliances, harsh caustic cleansers should not be used. To remove stubborn grime, a grill gel cleaning product and stainless cleaner can be ordered from the Gaggenau e-shop.